Hello guys, welcome again. So in this video we are going to talk about DoS attacks. Okay, so we are going to focus on Wi-Fi DoS attacks. Okay, so what is a DoS attack? DoS stands for denial of service. Okay, denial of service, which means we are going to affect the availability of a data. Okay, in the we are going to affect the availability of the data of the legitimate users. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to prevent legitimate users from accessing a resource or a service. Okay, so in terms of Wi-Fi, so what we can do, either we can target the access point, that's the router, or either we can target the clients that are connected to it. Okay, so in terms of Wi-Fi we can classify these attacks into three main types. Okay, first one is de deauthentication attack. First one is deauthentication attack, and the second one is beacon flooding attack. Okay, and the third one is random MAC address attack. A random MAC address attack. So let's discuss these. uh, so we have deauthentication attack. What we do in the deauthentication attack is we send a large number of deauthentication packets to a Wi-Fi access point or a client, which causes the targeted device to disconnect from the network. Okay, and the net attacker can then repeat this process from preventing the device from reconnecting to the device. Okay, so what we do in the deauthentication attack, we send deauth requests. Okay, and what happens, the legitimate user gets disconnected. Okay, so the second one is beacon attack. Okay, so a beacon attack is a type of attack that sends a large number of fake beacon frames to a Wi-Fi access network. Okay, so what does mean? It means that whenever a Wi-Fi router is working, it sends beacons. Okay, it sends beacons, but not in a large number. Okay, it sends beacon, but to for the devices that have to connect to that Wi-Fi know that this connection exists. Okay, that's how why beacons are used. So what when we flood and send large number of fake beacon frames, and uh, it overwhelms the uh, clients, and it prevents legitimate users to get connected. So basically this is the uh, same as the authentication attack, but instead of using deauth requests, we use beacon frames. Okay, beacon frames. Now the last one, the random MAC address attack. So what in this we do is we target the the association table association table of the network or access point. What it means is, like every device has a MAC address, right? We have understood this in the previous section. So every a device as a MAC address. What happens if we uh, pile up the MAC addresses and flood it in a network? Okay, so you are using thousands of requests with MAC addresses that are changing with each request. Okay, what it does is it will flood the association table of a router and make it uh, harder to connect the legitimate users. So basically our job is done. So we have made the legitimate users out of service. So this is the basic overview of DoS attacks, and we are going to do a DAuth attack simply after this video, and you are going to get this more when you see the practical. So that's it for this video. Hope I will see you in the next one.